Day 58 of Exploring India. Welcome to the Tubhadra Dam in Hosapete, one of the Karnataka's greatest landmarks, built across the Tubhadra River. This massive structure is a lifeline for irrigation power and drinking water. But in monsoon season, it's transformed into a wonder. The gate opened, releasing thundering streams of water, while surrounding hills turn lush and green. The cool breeze, misty spray, and roaring water create a breathtaking scene that draws visitors from far and wide. Tubhadra Dam isn't just engineering, it's a nature and human efforts flowing together in harmony.